This is the pulse. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, tinka com, kinka. 2, tinka com, kinka. Now, the sound steps with the pulse. And 2, kukum, ki, kukum. 2, kukum, kukum. Now, the basic step forward and back. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, kinka. 2, 4, kinka. 2, 4, kinka. 2, kinka. 2, offbeat. Oh, a bit better. 1, because I can't dance if I feel the pulse too, and if I want the clap. And this same moment, I want dance 1, 2, 3. I can't because my body wants be synchronized with the clap. 2, kukum, ki, clap. And 5 and 8. 2, 3, kukum, I, kum, ki, kukum, I. 2, 3, next kukum, conga, kukum. 5, next I use 6, but now not 7, I use and 8, 6 and kukum, and second bar has more dynamic, it's more dynamic, has more dramatism. Train. And let's practice.